Hello, I'm Davis. Today, I will discuss how not to communicate with children. Communication is crucial for the emotional and mental development of children, but sometimes we make mistakes. In this video, we will emphasize the importance of proper communication with children and address the mistakes we should avoid. 1. Creating criticism and shame. The wrong way to talk to children is by creating criticism and shame. Criticizing them in a belittling or derogatory manner undermines their self-confidence. Instead, it is important to encourage and support them. 2. Constantly giving orders. Proper communication with children requires encouraging cooperation and understanding rather than constantly giving orders. Using phrases like "don't do this" or "do it right now" undermines children's sense of independence. Collaborating with them and showing understanding has a more positive impact. 3. Using harsh and judgmental language. Using harsh and judgmental language while talking to children can affect their emotional well-being. Speaking to them in accusatory ways damages relationships and erodes their trust. It is important to use a more constructive language, showing respect and empathy. 4. Shutting down communication channels. One way to communicate properly with children is to value their feelings and thoughts. Shutting down communication channels prevents children from expressing themselves. Listening to them, trying to understand, and accepting their emotions are crucial. 5. Blocking mutual communication. Proper communication with children requires establishing a mutual dialogue. Constantly talking without allowing them to express their ideas interrupts the flow of communication. It is important to listen to them and engage with them. 6. Neglecting interest and empathy. Displaying disinterest and lacking empathy in communication with children undermines emotional connections. Valuing their emotions and showing empathy builds trust and attachment. Making an effort to understand them encourages effective communication. Proper communication with children supports their emotional and mental development. Criticism, giving orders, using harsh language, shutting down communication channels, blocking mutual communication, displaying disinterest, and lacking empathy harm effective communication. Understanding how not to talk to children is important to establish a healthy relationship with them. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to stay updated on future content. Thank you for listening.